mwihoko wakwa mwiraro Muthingi TV ati muthenya waku no ikorwo githie na mbere ro wega aikarira methanite ya mohoro muthi akiri tariki 20 naguo mweri-ini wa gatano naguo mwaka wa 2024 korwo gikomithia mara makihanikite guku bururi-ini nie njitagwo Maina wa Mucwe kwihoya ati korwo gitwarana na nigetha korwo gikomithia uria bururi ugiikarite na tukiambiriria ni ati no gumenyithia tutanambiriria Ramamukira na njira ya imwe kwa imwe kuria ng'enda-inĩ citũ cia ũkinyanĩria Facebook ni @Muthingi TV, wathie kuria mwena wa YouTube ni @Muthingi TV, na ũgĩthie kuria mwena-inĩ wa X nĩyo Twitter ni @Muthingi TV. Tukiambĩrĩria ni ati munini wa president Rigathi wa Gachagua nĩ ikirie anyiti itemi kuma sekta itiganĩte ritana gũtigĩrĩra atĩ makorwo magĩteithĩrĩria bũrũri witũ wa Kenya harĩ kũrũa na ũcenjia wa rĩera. Munini wa president Rigathi wa Gachagua yugĩte atĩ thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza nĩ ĩhotorete gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩ yakorwo ĩkĩrũa na morũrũ ma mbura ya mũiyũro ĩgĩthiĩ na mbere na kura na gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, o agĩthiĩ na mbere na kuga atĩ bũrũri nĩ ũgũkorwo ũgĩcokereria harĩa wagĩrĩire. Wangui wa Mũriũki ena riboti ĩno makĩria.
Munini wa mutongoria wa bũrũri Rigathi wa Gachagua umuthi ni acemanĩtie na atongoria a ICRAF muciĩ-inĩ gwake Karen itemi-inĩ rĩa kwarĩrĩria ũcenjia wa rĩera.
Nairobi, welcome to Kenya. And as a country, we are honored that the board is sitting here in Kenya. It's an honor to this country. ICRAF has been around since 1978, and we are honored as a country to host here and to really appreciate the good work that you are doing. Your coming this morning is very encouraging to me because we do have a very ambitious program of growing trees as one of the mechanisms that we have identified to combat the negative effects of climate change. In the restoration of Nairobi rivers. We have a program for the restoration of Nairobi River that is under very serious pollution, and we have a very serious program, and I think both C4 ICRAF and ICRAF Kenya can play a role to assist us in terms of technical advice, in terms of resource mobilization, in terms of seeing what we can be able to do together.
Nĩgũtũ atĩ thirikari ĩna mĩbango ya kũhanda mĩtĩ bilioni 15 kũhũrana na ũcenjania wa rĩera.
This great country have come to terms with reality is that climate change is real, and therefore as a government we have come up with a program to grow 15 billion trees by the year 2032. I'm very encouraged by ICRAF Kenya, the issue of fruit trees, because much as we're asking Kenyans to grow trees, we need to encourage them by taking them to a direction that also has a benefit. The issues of avocado, macadamia, coffee, mangoes are issues that we need a lot of support.
And it's really our honor to have our ICRAF headquarters here in Nairobi. And what's really important is that as C4 and ICRAF have had a functional merger, these identities in terms of legal capacity have stayed separate. And we work together to really be able to tackle global challenges with a combined over 7 years of experience.
Thank muno mundu witwa Wangui wa Mucoki nĩ ũndũ wa riboti ĩyo njega. Na rĩu tũgĩthiĩ na mbere nĩ atĩ gavana wa kaunti ya Kiambu Kimani Wamatangi nĩagĩthiĩte na mbere na kũria atongoria kuma kaunti ĩno gũtigana na ũteti wa wĩitangĩki wa thakame thutha wa ngahĩha kwĩyumĩria taũni-inĩ ya Thika ĩrĩa kĩrĩ gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa ũmbunge kĩa Gatũndũ ya mũhuro, kũrĩa mũndũ ũmwe aratigirwo atete muoyo wao gũkũ nao angĩ magĩtigwo na nguraro njũru. Kimani Wamatangi nĩorĩtie ateti rĩu kũhĩmbĩria kana gũtigana na ũteti wa wĩitangĩki wa thakame na kũhĩmbĩria mĩtugo mĩega ũndũ ũmwe na gũthiĩ na mbere na kũrutĩra mũingĩ wĩra nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra atĩ andũ a kaunti ya Kiambu nĩmakorwo magĩkinyĩrwo nĩ mĩbango ya ũthii wa na mbere. Reke twamũkĩra riboti ĩno.
Nĩrĩ mũthenya wa Jumamothi andũ makĩhaica ndege MP athure thĩinĩ wa kaunti ĩno makahaica ndege magathiĩ na ndege Thika kiganjo kuria guikaraga raihia ta guku cia ndugu murando maikarite kundu gutari itongo na kimwe makamba magathiuruka kuu makahahithia andu na ndege magacoka magathi makagwa haria magwa thutha wa mbeari ira maria hau na ke na bitika magacoka MP akaruta mushinga akaratha andu ta mburi magacoka makahaica ndege magathie makomboka mahaicire ndege magitiga andu hau aria mahura rithathi magithie mwanake ucio rakuire arutagwo hau ni andu a boda boda kumuteithia angi me thibitari tha ici na ni andu tumathuritwo mari iroraini makiheo wira ni muingi ati mundu ucio ndangiretwo mujumbe muthi manyitanite gikuruvu gia guthie magithogaga Kiambu o handu aigwa ati mathire magwa marari kiganjo marari roiro hindi iri ingi magithi guthoga ati nigetha thoko na wi hau na werehe bara maima roiro ukaigwa ningi me Gikuyu ukaigwa me guku riu mathia me gikuruvu ya kuhanda bara na kugeria guthukia kaunti ino na nie ndiramera mucerie kundu kungi kana tigwa andu aitu hapa Mungu yuko na sisi tuko gangari na tuko tayari kufanya kazi na hatutaki mambo mengine kana nyinyi mraiga ati andu aitu kazi lazima tufanye kazi lazima ifanyike watu wa Kiambu hawatanyang'anywa maendeleo yao siku nyingine na ya pili sisi hatutaingia kwa hiyo sarakasi yao kana tigwa andu aitu na sisi sio wajinga tulikanire tondu mitugo yo andu a mithembe yo tukomera guku Kiambu ongoro mundu ni athurirwo na miaka 5 ngode mari ukaga gutuhura rithathi maikare Nairobi kana tigwa andu aitu mtu akae Nairobi kama nyinyi mkazi yenu ni kukuja hapa kupiga watu wetu risasi na ndiramerire angikone nie muracaria mungire wachana ni raia murathi kuratha mwanake utari na muhunduki niki kana tigwa andu aitu mwanake wa boda boda uramurutira mushingo murutire mushingo kimuria ki kama ni governor mnatafuta mnikujie najua wamekuwa wanajaribu kunisumbua kila saa wamekuwa wanajaribu kuniharibia kazi mpaka kuharibu jina yetu wamekuwa wanaenda kila ofisi kuiria gututhukiria maundu magathie kwa EACC thie munyite andu acio caria maundu mama heni mo maigirire ni wacio ningio kego ni mathie kwao maratuire mandegete haria Githurai haria mathire makihanda andu nigetha thie ho macoke marehe vurugu ta icio marehe maundu na maraigite no gukarathanwo Githurai na mendaga kurathanwo ndiho makijaria na no kone nie maracaragiria rithathi icio manjare no ni mandathe no nie ndi wa Ngai ni twanyita na andu aitu mimi ni wa Mungu najua hiyo vitu mnafanya ni mimi mna
aho thutha wa barabara ya kuma Chungamari guthie Mirithu gutuika makiaria na station ya muthingi aikari ni makorirwo makiuria rio hetwo kandarathi gucaria njira njega iria ingigiriria kwaga gutuika
mimi naitwa Mr. James Mungai Jenga. Huyu mwenye alikuwa kandarasi wa kutengeneza hii barabara alitengeneza ikiwa kama haijaserant. Sasa vile maji inatoka huko juu kwa mlima inakuja inakatalia pale juu inabidi hiyo mchanga sababu inakuwa mzito iboromoke. Sasa na iko mtaro ingine ilikuwa imechimbwa na hiyo mwenye kandarasi ya kuteremsha maji. Sasa hata hiyo imesibwa na hiyo mchanga yote. Kwa hivyo hata maji inapita kwa barabara yenye hata haribu hiyo barabara. Mkaaji wa hapa chini, nyumba yangu iko hapa chini. Sasa hata tumewetu.
Naitwa Mungai Kamete. Mimi na tunahofia sana mambo ya hii barabara kwa sababu hata wakati ilijengwa lakini kwa vile mvua ilinyesha. Sasa mvua tunahofia hii mawe kuanguka, inaanguka kila wakati na hata sisi tukiwa wakaaji wa hapa tunahofia kwa sababu hata ukipita kwa barabara ukiwa na gari ama kwa miguu kunaweza kuwa na accident.
Kinyagia riu aikari aingi ni mathamite guku makiria thirikari kuingirana niguo magicoke kwao kuona barabara ino niyo ikoragwo nyitithanitie barabara nene ya Nairobi na ĩrĩa ya Naikuru.
Mkaaji wa hapa chini, nyumba yangu iko hapa chini. Sasa hata tulihama kama tuko na wiki kama 3 hivi, na tulihama juu hizi mawe kuogopa kuwa teremko na yuko chini.
Kupitia inaweza kumomoka na watu wanaweza kuangukia ni mawe. Kwa hiyo hapa iko mawe kubwa, hata mtu anaenda anaangalia anaona kama itakuja. Unapita bio.
Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, aritwa riakwa ni Kamau wa Kahonoki.
Naguo mugomo wa arimu a thukuru cia secondary na cia muthingi nicio JSS ni mathiete na mbere na kuingira kiumia gĩa gatatũ. Arimu aya magĩikia mũkana wa kwaga gũcokereria irathi nginyagia rĩrĩa mendekithia mao marĩ iguo, gũkũ makĩũria kamĩtĩ ya wandĩkani wa arimũ nĩyo TSC gũbuata watho wa igoti nene wa kũmandĩka mawĩra.
What we are saying is that we are not in fight with the head teachers, the county director, the sub-county director, or the CSOs. We are in fight with the commission. It should come with immediate effect and confirm all 46,000 intern teachers. What we are doing in those schools is that it is a very tiresome work where you find that someone is teaching areas which he or she never trained, and we are using our own resources like bundles to consult Mr. Google Chrome and other browsers so that you may get the know-how of the subjects which you never trained.
Because we are trained, we are graduate, na gote intern akorago graduate. The moment you graduate, you cannot be an intern. So we are here to say we are trained teachers to heo musara wa mwarimu trained. We are all graduate to heo musara wa graduate. Musara ucio turahewa 17,000 ni mbesa nginya itara sustain mondo with this economy. So we are calling upon the government mathikiririe arutani a JSS. We are the pioneers of CBC. Ni ithuĩ tũkuĩte the vision of CBC. Arimũ aingĩ haha tũtrainĩtwo gũthomithia subject igĩrĩ kana kĩrĩa tũreta running area igĩrĩ. Tani thomithĩtio gũthomithia mathabu na business studies, but waingira junior secondary school ni ũndũ wa kwaga arimũ enough ũrekora ũkĩthomithia nginya subject which iria ũtatrainĩtwo.
Nakuo kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu, aikari arĩa makĩgeragĩra mĩciĩ-inĩ mĩtiganĩte kana estate-inĩ matigĩtwo magĩikara na haho thutha wa sewage kana njĩra ya maĩ gũteanĩria njĩra yao na kwambia kũingĩra mĩciĩ-inĩ yao. Kũringana na mũikari ũmwe wa estate ĩno mũndũ ũgwĩtwo Kamau, augĩte atĩ nĩ maikirie thirikari rĩtana rĩa gũtigĩrĩra atĩ sewer line nĩ yakorwo ĩgĩcenjio na ĩtige gũitĩrĩra maĩ maya ma gĩko mĩciĩ-inĩ yao, kuona atĩ nĩ magũkorwo makĩgũmĩrwo nĩ thĩna wa gũkorwo makĩgũmĩrwo nĩ mĩrimũ ya gĩko.
My name is Frank, and we're here at Kogeria Estate. For the last several weeks, we have been facing the predicament of the discharge of sewer water and effluent from a neighboring estate, and that is the estate that is behind me. And basically, there has been a lot of nuisance. As you can see, we have a whole lake of sewer behind me, and we have tried to talk to the management of the estate, but they've not been very helpful. We also reported this to NEMA, and we are still waiting for some action to be taken.
Kwa majina ni Charles Juma. Maji sio ya hapa. Maji ni hapa.
Is because we are on the lower side of the farm, and 5-star they are slightly higher than us, and their septic tank is built just on the lower side. So when it rained so much, all the water came to their septic tank, it flooded, and then it got wet and entered in our farm. The whole farm is submerged with water. All the animals that were in the farm, we had to remove them. We had to sell them very, very, very fast because we had cuckoos, we had sheep, and we had
na gukirigana na ataramu matiganite hari ciana igana rimwe iria ciaragwo guku bururi-ini ciana 10 hari ciana igana rimwe ici cikoragwo cigiciarwo na thina wa gukorwo ati ciana irima kanua undu uria ucungagiriria ati kuona andu aingi matire mawona magatigwo makinyerekia ciana ciao na gucihingira handu ha guthi gwetha urigitani. Riu marigitari ni makinyitanite na magoka hamwe na makageria gutigira ati ni makorwo makirigita thina uyu kuria marekereirie ndumiriri na kuga ati thina uyu ni wa kawaida na koguo aciari matige gukorwo magikara na haho indi mwana wako gigiciarwo na irima kanua no ukorwo ukimutwara thibitari-ini na ukorwo akiamukira urigitani.
In every county we have in 100 children when wamezaliwa 10 of them they are affected na hiyo cleft palate na cleft lip. Na hao watoto wengi kwa sababu jamii haijaona watoto wanakaa hivi, watu wengi wanawaongelelea vibaya, inafanya mpaka mzazi akuwe low esteem yake imepotea. So tunajaribu angalau kuenda kuwaonyesha tunaweza rekebisha ili hawa watoto wote wakuwe na wanakubalika kwa jamii. Ukienda kama ni globally tukifanya medical camp venye tulifanya county jirani wa Uganda, in every 100 children 17 of them wako na palate, lakini sasa wengi wakifichwa hautaweza kufikia. So tunajaribu kuenda tukiwaelimishanga ati hii ni ugonjwa inaweza tengenezwa kampu zingine ambao wanataka marekebisho ama walitengenezwa juu kwa mdomo lakini ndani shimo haikutengenezwa. Sasa wote tunawafanyia hiyo kwa ujumla wote. Wale wamejitokeza sasa hivi wakiwa 30 wametoka kaunti tofauti, wengine wamepiga simu na wakituma simu tunawaambia watume picha mtoto, namba ya simu ya mama ya baba, location yenye wametoka na kama ako na weight ya mtoto anatupatia. Tunafanya medical creatiness awareness ya wale watoto wamezaliwa na mdomo umepasuka na wengine wako na shimo katikati ya mdomo. Tumekuwa tukiwatafuta kutoka kaunti zote. Tumezunguka so far, tumeenda kaunti 21, tumebakisha kwenda hizo kaunti zingine na tunatarajia tutapata hao watoto ama watu wazima wenye wako na hiyo ugonjwa, manake ni wengi wamefichwa.
Na twabetu ikiria rohani ndo akoro gitira mitabo ni amrida gicokere na mena magi maigi mundu witohon kama wauguru akijirati wa matagi is a people servant and we have faith in his development leadership. Twabetu ikiria akoro gitira mitabo amrida gicokere na maya na magi maigi.
Save a Life nĩ gĩkundi gĩtarĩ gĩa gĩthirikari kĩrĩa gĩkoretwo gĩgĩcenjia maica ma andũ ngũrani Kenya yothe. Nginyagia haha nĩ tũcenjetie maica ma andũ makĩria ma 100,000 through gũtwara arwaru thibitarĩ, gwakĩra arĩa matarĩ na cikaro, kũhe andũ irio, gũteithia ciana iria ciũrĩire mabarabara-inĩ na kũ-empower mbeũ njĩthĩ. Nyitanĩra na ithuĩ o mũthenya nigetha tukorwo tukinyitanĩra hamwe guteithia na kugarurĩra maica ma andũ. Save a Life, transforming lives.
Uri murimi munini na ni urabatara ngwatanĩro na nyũmba ya mohoro, ihinda nĩ rĩrĩ, amu Muthingi TV nĩ irakuhe mweke wa kwanĩrĩrithia kĩmenyithia nĩguo ũkũrie biacara yaku na njĩra nene. Tuhũrĩre thimũ kũgerera 0777 572 358 kana ũtwandĩkĩre email nĩyo sales@lookuptv.co.ke. Ũka tũtume ndũgũ na tũtirithanie hamwe, amu ndũgũ nĩ makinya.
Ni twacokereria riu na gitio kinene njitikiria ngunyite ugeni o ringi na tugithi na mbere ni ati mutongoria bũrũri Ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto ni ambikite icira ria nduko-inya bũrũri-inĩ wa Amerika. Icera rĩrĩa nyitĩtwo ũgeni nĩ president wa bũrũri ũyũ mũndũ gwĩtwo Joe Biden. Icera rĩrĩ rĩtanyĩtwo kũmatia ndũgũ na makĩria ya gĩbiacara gatagatĩ ka mabũrũri maya merĩ, na ngũririkania atĩ rĩrĩ nĩrĩo icera rĩa mbere rĩa mũndũ gwĩtwo President William Ruto rĩa kĩwĩra bũrũri-inĩ wa USA. Reke twamũkĩre riboti ĩno. Nayo ndereti ya watho wa kĩgĩna ya mwaka wa 2024 na 2025 ĩthiĩte na mbere na gũtugana ũrugarĩ wa ũteti na makĩria kaunti-inĩ ya Kisii, kũrĩa atongoria matiganĩte mokĩte na mbere na kuga atĩ watho ũyũ nĩ wa kũhinyĩrĩria mũkenya wa kawaida, makiuga atĩ magũtigĩrĩra atĩ watho ũyũ wa kĩgĩna nĩ wakorwo ũkĩgwa na ndũnahĩtũka, kuona atĩ wahĩtũka mũkenya wa kawaida nĩ akorwo ahetereirio na njĩra nene. Reke twamũkĩre riboti ĩno.
Tutakaa chini na wananchi tuwaeleze, ile watakubaliana nayo ndio tutapitisha, ile nyingine tutakaa chini tuangalie, kwa sababu pia lazima tupate pesa. Katika hii budget tumeweka sasa hivi, tumeweka milioni 50 katika kila constituency ili watu wetu waweze kupata stima. Nimeona viongozi wengine kutoka Central, kutoka Mlima, walienda kule Limuru, wakaita Limuru 3, wakaketi wakaongea maneno mingi ya Limuru 3 mingi sana, wakasema, wakabishana, wakapiga kelele sana. Mimi nataka niambie hao viongozi, kwa sababu ni wale wale, niwakumbushe, wakati huu wa Kenya wanataka barabara. KC kama kwa mfano, watu wanataka hii barabara iwe expanded. Wakati huu Wakenya wanataka barabara, si kujiangalia tu sisi kabila fulani, sisi community. Na nikumbushe viongozi wa Mlima ya kwamba mkikutana msiwe tu lawama. You control the government, you control the country, you actually own half of this government. You have no reason to complain, you have no reason to bring unnecessary squabbles to the national government. Tafadhali tuheshimiane, heshimu rais, uitisha hao viongozi maendeleo. Nyinyi ndio mna run government, sisi wengine tulishajikubali, lakini muache ku blackmail rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya, kwa sababu haifai namna hiyo.
Hata mimi siwezi taka tax kwa mkate. Kama mama ningeomba hata pombe iwekwe tax mingi, ama namna gani? Kitu ingine, half of Kenya, Mheshimiwa Osoro, is not developed. Half of Kenya shamba iko idle. Wakipata mtu ameweka hata eka 20 halimi, tax hiyo shamba. Mtu akishindwa kulipia tax, ipande mboga, mahindi, watu wapate chakula. Lakini mkate kwa kina mama yenye tunapatia watoto asubuhi wanaenda shule, hapo jameni, tutaki kusikia hata kidogo.
Even our president, a very hard working man, my best friend, he cannot allow to increase tax. So for a commodity, for a poor person, we will make sure that everything we do to promote our hustlers and our nation.
Nao aikari a itura ria mukima wadi-inĩ ya Segera, kaunti-inĩ ya Laikipia, nĩ mambĩkĩte mĩhang'o ya gwĩthondekera ndaraca ĩrĩa ĩnyitithanĩtie itura rĩrĩ rĩa mukima na itura rĩa Lingwana, na kũringana na aikari aya maugĩte atĩ makoretwo makĩgerera ihinda iritũ rĩa kumagara ciana ciao igĩthiĩ thukuru, kuona njũĩ ikoretwo ihũrĩte kumana na mbura nene ĩgĩthiĩ na mbere na gũthandana, gũkũ ũkĩmatiga haceke na matarĩ na wĩki o tiga gwĩthondekera ndaraca ĩno. Aikari aya rĩu nĩ makomithĩtie thirikari nĩkĩra maugĩte atĩ nĩ netwo kũmatuithanĩria thĩna ũyũ.
Na ninaomba serikali imetuambia miaka mingi habari ya hii mto. Watakuja kututengenezea daraja, watakuja kuweka makarabat na hawaeki. Sasa tukiwa wakiwaji wa Mkema, tumeamua leo tutajitokeza, tukuje tutengeneze at least kidogo, watoto wetu ndio wakienda shule waweze kuacha kutaabika hapa, kwa sababu hii ni mataabiko haki. Nasema hivyo kwa sababu kila asubuhi wazazi wanaamka, wanakuja kusidikisha watoto, at least wafukishe katika hii mto. Jioni tena wanaamkia wakuje wachukue watoto wao wafukishe wakienda nyumbani.
Na nimeona watoto wadogo wakisubuka kufuka hii mtaro, na wazee na watu wote, na hata mimi nilikuwa mzee na shida kuvuka. Sasa tulikuwa tumepatiwa hapa karavati 3 na mwanasiasa mmoja, lakini kutoka kati ya miaka 10 naisha hakuna kitu imefanyika. Nikaunganisha vijana na wazee, tukuje tutengeneze hapa, tuone vile tutaka. Tukaona tuchibe shimo hapa, tuweke hii makaravati hapa, iingie hapa, tuone kama hii shida yote yetu ya hapa itaisha. Na kama kuna watu well wishers wanaweza kutusaidia, tunawakaribisha sana wakuja.
So tunaamua tukiwa wakaaji wa Mkema, tutashikana, tutengeneze padi tutaweza, na tunaomba wafadhili, serikali ya kaunti, serikali kuu iingilie hii kati. Hii ni jangwa katika hii shule, hii ni jangwa katika hii kijiji yetu, sababu tunaona vyenye watu wanaendelea, wanafanyiwa mabalabala zao, wanafanyiwa makarabati yao, madaraja, lakini sisi wenye wakaaji wa Mkema hatuna mtu wa kushughulikia.
Na riu tugicenjia turaba twigarike na gukunikwa muthingi iharo-ini thutha wa Girl Mahia gukunika timu ya Muhoroni Youth bao 3 kwa gibogo. Riu ni marahiukiria point 11 ngurani na timu iria ingi itikerera thakirwo kiaro-ini gia Sport Pesa Arena kiria gikiri kaunti-ini ya Murang'a. Mundu gwitwo kana minister wa ukinyaneria niwe Eliud Owalo erekinyitie mbitikaini no kuria arakorirwo gikenerera uhotani wa timu ya Girl Mahia.
Today has been a good day in office because Gor Mahia one more time has won the league. What we now need to do is to prepare adequately for the Continental Championships. We are looking forward working together with the office to beef up the team so that it can be formidable enough for the Continental Championship.
I'm so happy that we have won the unprecedented 21st league title. Compare the fact that the second is 13. You will understand why I am so overjoyed.
Extremely pleased, extremely proud of the boys. You know, we said to them before the game, look, go out and put it all together. All the lessons that we've tried to impart on them over the last 2 years and really put in a statement performance. And, you know, the whole game, but the first half, we were absolutely excellent. You know, we fully deserved the goal, but, like, I'd love to see the possession statistics for the first half. Like, every time Murrahoney got the ball, we took it right back off them. You know, the game was largely played in the attacking half for us, and the guys were just excellent. And, you know, it could have been more. You know, we're greedy here at Kogalo. We want as many goals as possible, but three was a very good performance. We stand here as champions, 11 points clear of second place. Obviously, we won last year on the last day of the season with a very young team, and so, you know, we've taken them back, and I really hope that, you know, as I go away from here, that we've put foundations in place to make sure that Kogalo go forward over the next, not just 1 or 2 years, but the next 10 years, to not just again dominate Kenyan football, but also to really make a mark on the continental scene in the interclub competition.
Na tugithie na mbere riu na Kenya Fara wa kirabu kia Harambee Stars niwe Eugene Frat ni agwetete gikundi kia athaki aria makorwo makimatha tigiti wa guthaka gikombe kia gibũrũri magitungana na timu ya kuma bũrũri wa Burundi odumwe na timu ya kuma kura bũrũri-inĩ wa Ivory Coast. Goalkeeper Maki Patrick, Matis, Brian Othiambo, Boniface Munyasia na Ian Otieno magathaka hamwe na athaki angĩ odumwe na captain Michael Olunga, Daniel Hayema na Richard Odada. Na tugetigana na ciĩgiĩ kagi njĩtĩkĩria rĩu tũgarũrũkire tũgereke ciĩgiĩ volleyball na nĩ atĩ KCB volleyball team mararĩkirie kũhiũkia ũhotani wa set 3-1 harĩ mbĩtĩka yao na timu ya Kenya Pipeline ĩrĩa ĩranyitire ũhotani wa nyarari gĩtaro-inĩ kĩa Africa mwaka wa 2024. Na riboti hiyo nayo kora gĩtũtihĩra mũtamboreko witũ wa mohoro hwainĩ wa ũmũthĩ. Ngatho Camanya kũrĩa mũrari wa Mũthingi TV wetĩkĩra gũtwarana nani o kuma rĩrĩa twambĩrĩirie mũtamboreko ũyũ witũ. Niĩ njĩtagwo Maina wa Mũcwe ngakwendithĩria ũtukũ mwega ũndũ ũmwe na kiumia kĩega kĩihũirwo na irathimo, na angĩkorwo nĩ gũkoragwo na mũnyaka wa Jerusalemu, Ngai wa muoyo harogĩtũtũngia ithuothe niĩ nawe nĩ twĩganu.